Alright, today I'm just going to show you how to do rear wiper delete. Nice and simple, very basic. Alright, just lift this cover off, it just unclips. Gives you access to a 13mm nut here. There's a nut, there's a little spring washer, take them both off. And basically, give it a little wiggle. It's splined, so if you just keep wiggling it, sometimes you can lift it up. And off it comes and you're just left with that, okay? Open the boot lid. I like to just unclip the parcel shelf. So if I've got to put anything down there, I can just lay it on there. Got a ST225 torque screw there, and there in the handles. Pull them both out. Now with this boot trim, it's just clip. Easiest way to do this, sharp turn. One hand here, one hand here. There's an electrical connector here, so it's the usual classic thing, pushing the tab, then pull it out, so you can see it there, so you're just pushing that bit in there, pull it out. And then you've just got these 3 8mm bolts that holds the motor in place. And just pull the motor out. This center tube just pushes through. So push it through. Bring the boot lid down. You can fully pull this tube back out. Now I've got the rubber. Now this is glass, so you do have to be careful with it. But basically you're going to work the grommet and pull it out like that. Give this a good clean. If the glass has got a bit of a stain, you can just use some car polish just to clean it up. Now this is your outer piece, because it's 2 halves. Alright, this half's threaded in there, and you get a little stud with an Allen key recess in it. You just want to take a tiny dab of thread lock. And just put it on the end there. And wind that into the outside bit. Snip it up with the Allen key. Alright, so you've got the outer one with an O-ring, got the inner one with an O-ring, and then you've got a nut. Bring the boot lid down, just take an Allen key or a screwdriver. Shut that latch. That means if we drop it all the way, just lift it up. What we're going to do, bring it down, pop your O-ring on, get it central so it's in the recess. And this is really hard to show you. Basically you've got to keep that where it is, let it balance. With one hand, keeping that where it is, off of inner bit up, hold it there with your fingers, and start to spin that nut on. Then you can grab your socket, it's 10mm. Remember, hand on the outside. And you just want to nip this up. If you go too tight, you'll splay the O-ring out. So just nip it. So it's just nipped. And that's it. Just got to refit that. Make a note of where all these clips are. Basically, line it all up. And now refit your screws. Pop parcel shelf back on. Remember to press the button to release the latch. And then just wipe off your fingerprints. Easy.